Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to be sharing what are the must-have items for cookie decorators in 2023. Let's get started. You will need disposable pastry bags. You can use them tipless, but if you are going to use decorating tips, you're going to need a ring, a coupler, and obviously decorating tips. A good selection of food gel color. You can start with the primary colors. And with a food color mixing chart, you are going to be able to make a lot of colors. Edible watercolor palette. Different sizes of pastry brushes. Edible glitter. Metallic luster dust. Royal Icing transfers and ready-to-use sugar decorations. Homemade paper templates. Wooden sticks of different sizes. Angle tweezers like these ones. The scribble. And I love this little brush that it helps me to sweep the sanding sugar when I use it, and this to clean up my decorating tips. Fondant flour mold. If you like to decorate cookies using fondant, you will need a lot of embossers and stamps. A scrape like this one because it's very useful when you use stencils. Double tip edible markers. A rotating table with the little mat. A stencil genie and basic stencils like stripes, dots, and things like that. If you need a particular stencil, you can order them on Etsy. There are great designers that they can make them for you. Squeezing bottles like these ones because these are different. You can put a decorating tip on it and they are the best. Edible luster spray or an airbrush kit. A projector to mirror cookies on your cookies with a projector stand. This is the best investment that I have ever made on my cookie business. A bigger range of sprinkles and sanding sugars, that's a must for sure. The stencil genie and the projector are the things that I cannot live without. And for me, these are the must-have cookie decorating materials in 2023. Stay connected with your favorite cookie designers because there are always new things coming up for cookie decorators. Please let me know if you have any question. Don't forget to check the links on my profile so you can see where to buy some of these things. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.